Hey guys, this is Dr. Clayton at Endurance Apparel and Gear. Welcome back to Ask Hypnotherapist. We just stopped by Endurance to pick up a couple things for Christmas. I've got Houston here who sells the stuff, educates people, helps you out. I actually have a question for him first about deadlifts. I've heard good things about deadlifts for people that have some back pain, like not people that are injured, but just people that maybe sit at the desk all day and they want to reduce that pain. So what would you say about deadlifts for those kind of people?
Overall, the motion is also going to strengthen not just your back, but also your core just in general. So you're going to actually see your abs get involved as well. So it has multiple benefits. It's one of my favorite exercises.
Okay, great. Thanks very much, Houston. And I believe Houston also has a question for me about hypnosis.
Yeah, I do. I just found out that you do that. I just want to know, does it actually work?
Yes, hypnosis actually does work. The key difference between hypnosis and every other way of trying to change how you feel or how you behave is when you, let's say you wanted to have motivation to work out, for example, you're essentially just using your willpower. Hypnosis is the only way that you can actually change what you like and what you don't like so you can actually look forward to exercising. Anyway, thanks a lot, Houston. Appreciate it, and we'll see you later.
Sounds good.